Hi everyone, I'm Davey. This is my 2009 macpro motherboard. The backside, one capacitor is falling down. One capacitor is falling down. One capacitor is falling down. The capacitor is falling down. Near the north bridge. This is north bridge. This is north bridge. This is my macpro 2009 motherboard. This is north bridge. This is north bridge. North bridge 2009 macpro. My introduction is done. Goodbye, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm David. This is my macpro 2009 macpro 5.1. Yesterday, it's out of order. 昨天它故障了。The LED is flashing. The LED is flashing. The macpro 2009 can work now. The macpro 2009 can work now because yesterday I cleaned the desk. There's a capacitor falling down from the motherboard. Yesterday I cleaned the desk. There's a capacitor falling down for the motherboard.